Hello fellow traders. I have recently came across an amazing trading platform, and if you've been trading for a while you probably have experienced some difficulties and missed out on some great opportunities over the last few weeks because a lot of trading platforms like Kraken and some of the other ones, they have really been cutting down on the leverage, and some completely just put everything on pause. Some of you have been recently trying to set up accounts, probably run into problems with tons of verifications, tons of issues, tons of holds, just a hard time, getting any trades going because of overwhelming procedures that some of the exchanges and trading platforms have been putting in place recently. Well, I have found across this gold mine, BitMEX, and it is by far the easiest and simplest platform to use out there, and by far is the most reliable as well. So I just wanted to share this with you, show you a couple of features, how to use it. But what makes this platform absolutely amazing, besides the simplicity of use, is the fact that you can short Bitcoin futures all you want. The volume is insane. As you can see here, the last 24 hours, the volume of the contracts have been 777 million contracts have been traded in the last 24 hours. So the liquidity is absolutely amazing here, guys. And as you can see, it's not only the Bitcoin futures that you can buy or short. You can also trade a variety of things such as Cardano, Bitcoin Cash, Dash, Ethereum, Ethereum Classic, Litecoin, Monero, Ripple, Stellar, and Zcash. And they're adding more and more contracts as we go along. So the execution is very, very fast. Literally, to place an order, you simply go and you enter it right here in the left part of your screen. You go either buy, or if you want to go long, or you sell if you want to short. Over here you determine the number of the contracts, and here's what I really like. You can easily select the leverage right here where it shows average. And for example, if you're brand new, you probably want to start and limit yourself to about 5 times leverage to just get some practice. If you're experienced, you can easily move that to 10, 25, 50, or even 100 times if you felt really certain about the trade. This is just an opportunity for anyone to maximize your returns. And the system has really worked great for me. So again, to place the trade, you go here, you select the number of contracts. Let's say I want to do 100 contracts. Select the leverage right here, and you simply put the, okay, so Bitcoin futures right now at 11,368. I can simply put the limit price here at 11. Well, right now it's 11,382, and I can go ahead and short or buy very, very fast, and literally the system would execute my order in a matter of seconds. So how do you actually fund the account? It's very simple. You would fund it with BTC. You click the deposit button right here. It gives you an address where you can send the BTC. I have to tell you, with my experience, it has been very, very fast. It literally gets to your trading account with just one confirmation. So my experience with depositing has been excellent. If you want to withdraw, you click on the account tab and hit withdraw, enter everything where you want to send it from here, and the execution on that has been great as well. Now, as you can see, one very important thing is you can set up this account in literally 2 minutes, and there's no crazy verifications, no IDs or passports or anything like that. And at the end of this video, if you're in the United States, There, for certain countries, there are certain limitations, but I will show you specifically, if you're in the United States, what to do in order for you to be traded on this trading platform, which is actually it's in Hong Kong. It's been around for close to 4 years, and as you can see, based off the volume of contracts that's being traded here every day, just a ton of traders are trading here. So it's definitely a great place to trade. Now, as far as your charts, let me talk just for a second about that. Here's your chart here. You can easily expand it by clicking this part right here, and it'll load up the bigger chart. Now, if you go and click right here on the chart, there's where all your indicators are. For example, I want to check out the accumulation distribution, and it would add it right down here. Here's your volume. You know, clearly, you know, they're distributing, they're selling BTC contracts right now. You can see it right here. Here's what's going on. The volume is spiking up as they're selling, so they're selling on volume, and it's clearly reflected in your accumulation distribution. Now, if I want to add another indicator, okay, let's say we'll go with as you can see, there is a variety of here's the Ichimoku Cloud. So they got some really good indicators here. You know, some basic ones, some more complex ones, you know, some simple ones like relative strength. But here's what I wanted to show. It actually took me a while to figure out how to replace one or remove one completely. And the way you do that is you actually go to the indicator itself, and you click this little triangle here, and you go to the remove all the way at the bottom, and that's how you would remove that. So there's a variety of tools here that you can play around with, and a variety of indicators. You know, the system works really good and nice and handy. I do have a pretty good internet connection though, so hopefully it works just as good for some of you guys that may not have as good of a connection as I do. But the opportunity here is absolutely tremendous. If you're serious about trading, I don't think there is a better platform out there based on my experiences, and I have definitely tried a few of them out there. Literally, you can finish watching this video, click my affiliate link, which will save you 10% on all of your commissions. Okay, and for 6 months, for an entire 6 months, I'll give you 10% of all of your commissions. So take advantage of that. Go ahead and make some money, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to direct message me. I'll even put a cell phone number in the description. You can text me with any questions. But if you're serious about trading, this is a great account. It will give you the leverage. It will give you the execution. You know, it will give you, you know, the tools, everything you need to make some money. As you can see, while we were talking, the price moved down 100 points. And so that was an easy trade right there. And we clearly saw that just off the accumulation and distribution and the spike in the volume. Actually, it moved 130 points since we spoke. So that was good for about a 80% return while we were recording this video. If you'd like to know specifically how to trade, what to look out for, feel free to reach out to me. If you are in the US, this is what you'll need to do first. To set up, before you set up the account, before you click the affiliate link, you will need to get a VPN service. I will put a link in the description. Not just any VPN service will work. You will need what's called a static VPN, which will assign a specific address that will be used only by you. So you could be located anywhere in the United States. If you're traveling, and you will be able to log into your account and place trades. Right now, if you don't use the VPN service, you will be able to set up the account, but you will not be able to place live trades as they're still working out the platform for United States customers as far as all the regulations concerned. So, but all you need is some Bitcoin to transfer in the account. It will be there in minutes, and you will be able to start making money right away. The commissions are very reasonable. I will mention this, that you will save quite a bit of your commissions on top of the 10% you will get by using my affiliate link. If you will place limit orders, they do charge a little bit more for placing market orders, so just use limit orders. It'll definitely save you money on the spread. It'll definitely save you money on the commission. If you have any questions, just feel free to direct message me, text me. If I can be of any help, I will definitely share all the information I got so you guys can make a ton of money here. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your time. Any questions, I'm here to help you guys out. Thank you.